The three tissue systems. What is tissue? Tissue is an organized group of cells with similar features that work together as a structural and functional unit. All vascular plants have three tissue systems that are established during embryogenesis. The three of them are dermal, vascular, and ground. The first tissue system is dermal tissue. Dermal tissue forms epidermis, usually one cell layer. Some epidermal cells differentiate. The first is stomata, which are pores used for gas exchange. The second is trichomes, which are leaf hairs that protect from herbivores and damaging solar radiation. The third one is root hairs, which increase the surface area. Above ground epidermal cells secrete a waxy cuticle. This helps limit water loss. It helps reflect damaging solar radiation and acts as a barrier against pathogens. Ground tissue. Ground tissue is between the dermal and vascular tissue. The three cell types for ground tissue are parenchyma, collenchyma, and sclerenchyma. Parenchyma cells. They're the most abundant. There's large vacuoles and thin cell walls. They photosynthesize, and they store protein and starch. Collenchyma cells are elongated, they have thick cell walls, and they provide support. Sclerenchyma cells. They have very thick cell walls that are reinforced with lignin. They also undergo programmed cell death. Cell walls remain to provide support. Two types of sclerenchyma cells. The first is fibers, which are elongated and provide rigid support. The second one is sclerids, which are in various shapes and may pack together densely, as in a nutshell. They occur as clumps in pairs. The third type of tissue system is vascular tissue system, which is known as the transport system. Xylem carries water and minerals from roots to the rest of the plant. There are two cell types: tracheids, which are pits in cell walls that allow movement of water. The second is vessel elements, which form a pipeline. Phylum mostly are living cells that move carbohydrates from production sites to sites where they are used or stored. Sieve tube elements meet end to end, forming sieve tubes. They lose most of their cellular contents. Companion cells are usually connected to sieve tube elements by plasmodesmata and perform many of the phylum's metabolic functions. Now you know more about the three tissue types. dermal, ground, and vascular. I hope this video gave you more of an understanding of these three tissues. Thank you.